Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today I have my Canyon Hollow mini monthly subscription box. This is one of the best home decor subscription boxes out there, you guys. They do themes every month around your house. So by the end of the year, you got all these cool areas of your home decorated and brought up stylish. Does that not sound awesome? So the box, it is monthly and you get 3 to 4 items and it is $89 a month plus shipping and handling. If you want to buy 3 months in advance, 6 months in advance, a year in advance, she does give discounts if you want and you choose to do that. I'm actually going to look into that because I love this monthly box. She has also a quarterly founders box. Now that one I believe is sold out, but the box I'm getting ready to show you today is still available. So she has the monthly subscriptions available still. So if you like what you see, or go back and look at my prior videos, you like what you see, go sign up. So I'm going to pick the box up right now. Excuse me. And oh my goodness, we are going to get into it. You can see fragile glass. Glass is written on every side. I don't know if it's on the bottom, but it's on the top and it's on all 4 sides. So I love that she is making sure that the shipping companies know, take care of the products, take care of the box, I guess I should say, because it is, what do they say? Fragile. Yeah, fragile. Okay, so I am going to open it up. Now the theme for this month is, I believe it's July. Oh goodness, I believe it is the July 4th theme. She has written me a little note on the outside of the box that says, Terry, I hope you have a wonderful month of July, Teresa. Okay, here we go. I love getting a monthly home box because I love my other home boxes that are quarterly, but they're quarterly. I want more. So we start off with a beautiful wax seal. All right, let's dive in, you guys. Look how pretty it is right on top. So, oh my goodness, this box is heavy. So I am going to sit this box right here. There is another box. So I'm gonna sit this right here on top. Ooh, and I see other pretties as well. So let's get the other pretties that are in here out, and then we will open the boxes. And I am seeing, you guys, 3 different things in here. To start off with, we have gotten some beautiful napkins and plates. So this brand here is My Mind's Eye Paper Goods. It is 8 paper plates with floral Americana, and these plates, it says do not microwave. It doesn't have the size on them, but I would say, what are these, like appetizer, dessert? That's kind of the size that I see them being. Super pretty. And then by the same company, My Mind's Eye Paper Goods, 24 paper napkins. So I love how pretty, I love how well those go together, you guys. I love those. Those are so pretty. Okay, so we have, all right, you guys ready? It is a utensil caddy by 8 Oak Lane. But you know how I'm seeing this as? because this is how she had it in the box. Plates, napkins, silverware. That's how I'm seeing it. Not saying you cannot use it for utensils. You definitely 100% can. But how pretty is that, you guys? That is super pretty. But there are so many other ways that you can use this as well. I see it in the bathroom with my brushes in one, my larger bottles in another. I love this, you guys. So pretty. Now we got 2 other things to get into. All right. It's Christmas time. It is Christmas time. All right. Love the attention to detail. Perfect experience. And what's so funny is like her card is right here. I'm going probably like backwards. But that is okay because we can do whatever we want to do, right? All right. So let me get my little pen. My little pen with the blades, or with the blade, and open this box up. Okay. So, 3 to 4 items. Well, we've already gotten 3 items. Ooh, okay. You thinking it's a candle? Oh. How pretty, you guys. That is really pretty. I think it's a terracotta as well. All right, I'm trying to get the scent. It doesn't smell like anything. Is that right? Okay, that's fine. Doesn't smell like anything. But the vase is beautiful, so I would just like to display it. That's what I would like to do. So I'm going to put this right here, and I'm going to put this back up here. And our last box here. It's always sad when you come to the end, isn't it? But guess what? We get another box next month. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Okay, so the theme this month is backyard gatherings. A simple backyard gathering is all about enjoying good company and the great outdoors. Picture a cozy setup with a comfortable seating, a candle for ambiance, and a table adorned with casual yet stylish tableware. Guests can savor delicious homemade snacks, refreshing drinks, and perhaps a few games or music to keep the mood light and fun. It's the perfect way to relax and connect with friends and family in a laid-back, inviting atmosphere. CanyonHollowDecor.com. This makes me want to go and get a little table for my back patio. Excuse me. Yeah, it makes me want to. But that means I actually have to sit outside, which is fine if there's no bugs. And I will say, where we live, and I know it sounds crazy, we don't have really bugs, but we do get mosquitoes. And when we get mosquitoes, we get mosquitoes. So that's one reason why I don't like sitting outside sometimes. But right now, with the weather that we've been having, I haven't seen any mosquitoes. So maybe I need to get a little table. So what is in here? Oh, okay. Let me... So we got 4. I think these are glasses, you guys. Which means I need to throw some others away. Very nice. Big, nice glasses. PD Home is the brand. I like them, you guys. I like them a lot. I think I'm going to be going and throwing some away. And not that I have not liked glasses that we have gotten in like another box. These are glass, okay? These are really nice. Yes, outdoor patio picnic, but these are very nice glasses that you can use all year round. And there's 4 of them. Yep, I got a pet peeve when you only give me like 2 glasses. What am I supposed to do with 2 glasses? So getting 4, you guys, love it. Absolutely love it. So another home run for the mini box from Canyon Hollow. Love it. So let's read the card here. Also, I believe that this box only ships in the United States as well, you guys. But I will, if I'm incorrect, I will put that in the comments. I will pen it in the comments below. So let's talk about what we got. The 8 Oaks utensil caddy. We got the set of 4 drinking glasses. It says these glasses will surely invoke the Nancy Myers aesthetic at any backyard barbecue. Oh, okay. We got the decorated citronella candle. Mine doesn't have any citronella smell, which is really odd because isn't that a strong smell? But maybe once it's lit, maybe then I will really be able to tell. And last but not least, My Mind's Eye napkins and plates. These are festive yet elegant enough to add a touch of celebration to any gathering, whether it's a lively Independence Day barbecue or a casual afternoon of drinks and snacks with your besties. I agree. Another amazing box. So I hope you enjoyed this month's box. And if you're interested, go out and check out Canyon Hollow Decor. And maybe next month we can unbox one together. Also, I want to say that she has available right now her 25-day Advent calendar for purchase and order. I believe it arrives November 1st, if I'm remembering correctly. I have already purchased it. So I'm prepared, you guys. I'm totally prepared. So go check that out as well. And I think that's all for tonight, you guys. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and we will catch up again soon. Bye, everyone.